We are currently making our way up to the lookout level. It's an observation area inside our main pod. In just 58 seconds, you'll be there, and you'll have cleared a distance of 346 meters, or 1,136 feet, or 114 building stories. The view through the doors is southwest facing, as we are making our way up the southwest side of the CN Tower. And this elevator is operating at a speed of 22 kilometers per hour, or 15 miles per hour. La vitesse de l'ascenseur est 22 km/h. For monter en minute. The view through the doors, as I said, is southwest. Do any of you have any questions at this time?
No, we're good.
No, you're good? Okay. The main pod is composed of two observation areas, the lookout level and the glass floor level. The glass floor level is below, where I'm letting you off as you are disembarking onto the lookout level. To get to the glass floor level, simply take any of the staircases you find. All of them lead you to the glass floor level. It's one flight of stairs below. Please use the stairs to get there. And if you have tickets to the sky pod to go even higher, there's a lineup for it just outside these doors.
The giant fan again.
So it takes 58 seconds to get to the gift shop at a speed of 15 miles per hour.
This elevator is going pretty fast, right? It's going so fast.
Keep talking.
Yes, they're talking on
Mira ese tren negro.
Oh, sí, esos son los trenes antiguos, un pequeño museo de trenes.
Y ahí está el acuario. Sí.